Welcome to Star Technology 5G. In today's video I will show you PIC Development Tools. Let's start the video. Please subscribe to the Star Technology 5G and click on the bell icon. How to program a PIC microcontroller. You certainly know that it is not enough just to connect the microcontroller to other components and turn the power supply on to make it work. There is something else that must be done. The microcontroller needs to be programmed to be capable of performing anything useful. A program is a collection of instructions that can be executed by a microcontroller to perform a specific task. For writing a program we need a programming language. A programming language is a language programmers use to develop software programs, scripts, or other sets of instructions for microcontroller to execute. A typical development cycle. Basically, a microcomputer executes a user program which is loaded in its program memory. Under the control of this program, data is received from external devices, inputs, manipulated, and then sent to external devices, outputs. You can see in the following diagram. A program written in PC convert in machine language code and then burn into microcontroller. Then microcontroller executes the program and show the temperature on the LCD. PIC Development Tools. The development of a microcontroller-based system is a complex process. The tools for developing software and hardware for microcontroller-based systems include editors, assemblers, compilers, debuggers, simulators, emulators, and device programmers help programmers to develop and test systems in a relatively short time. A typical development cycle starts with writing the program using a text editor. The program is then translated into an executable code with the help of compiler. Next, a simulator is used to test the application program without the target hardware. Simulators are helpful in checking the correctness of an algorithm or a program with limited or no input outputs. Once the program seems to be working and the programmer is happy with it, the executable code is loaded to the target microcontroller chip using a device programmer. Software Development Tools. Software development tools are computer programs, usually run on personal computers that allow the programmer, or system developer, to create, modify, and test applications programs. Text editors. A text editor is used to create or edit programs and text files. The Windows operating system comes with a text editor program called Notepad. Using Notepad, we can create a new program file, modify an existing file, or display or print the contents of a file. Most assemblers and compilers come with built-in text editors, making it possible to create a program and then assemble or compile it without having to exit from the editor. Compilers. Compilers generate executable code from high-level language programs, and that generated code then be loaded into the flash program memory of a microcontroller. Many different C language compilers are available for developing PIC microcontroller-based. Simulators. A simulator is a computer program that runs on a PC without the microcontroller hardware. It simulates the behavior of the target microcontroller by interpreting the user program instructions using the microcontroller instruction set. Simulators can display the contents of registers, memory, and the status of input-output ports as the user program is interpreted. Here is the complete cycle of microcontroller programming. First of all, write program using programming language. Then convert program into hex file. Use programmer to load hex file into the microcontroller. And finally microcontrollers start work in real environment. MicroC Pro for PIC. In this tutorial I will use the C programming language and MicroC Pro. In this case, the compiler is used for programming PIC microcontrollers is MicroC Pro and C language is used for writing the program. MicroC Pro is a powerful PC-based programs which include everything to edit, assemble, compile, and source-level debug a program. This program is graphical user interface, where the user can select various options from the program without having to exit it. MicroC Pro for PIC can be extremely useful when developing microcontroller-based systems. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the Star Technology 5G. And keep watching Star Technology 5G.